Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS3355. I'm going to show you how to align ink cartridges. If the paper or the photo printed out from this printer is smeared or not as you like, or the color or the text are not great, to get the best printing quality of your document or photo, it's recommended to complete and aligned fine ink cartridges. And this is how to do it. You need to select the setup button to number 4. So select this, and when you select it, then you press the black to start. So select this to number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is showing. Then you press the black, and it will prompt the printer to print out alignment paper. Then you take the paper with the information facing down, and also make sure the paper start from the top left, then close the cover. Then you select copy color. It will scan the document, and also the power on light is highlighting. Once you finish, the lights here will stop. You can see the light is now no longer flashing. Then you remove and discard the paper. So this is how to align ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.